May I help you?
Oh, hi. Do you have any meatloaf?
Yes, we do.
Oh, okay. Is it any good?
Oh, yes. We use an Iowa Mom's recipe.
Oh, I'll have that then.
Hi, this is Lana Shea, an Iowa Mom. And a few years back, I had a viewer ask if I would demonstrate how to make meatloaf. So I've experimented through the years, and I have come up with a recipe that I think is so easy to put together. It always works.
Grease about a 9-inch baking dish. Drain a 4-ounce can of mushroom pieces, or you can use a ½ cup of diced tomatoes. We're going to save the liquid because we're going to use some of that for our recipe. To a large bowl, add the drained mushroom pieces or diced tomatoes, 3/4 cup breadcrumbs, 1/2 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, ½ teaspoon dry mustard, and 1 1/2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. A 1/3 cup of the liquid. Now we stir it together, and for a test to be sure the crumbs are just right, we grab a fistful and squeeze into a ball. If it holds together like this, you're ready to go. If it's too dry, then we just add more liquid. If it's sopping wet and won't cling together, add more breadcrumbs. Now we're going to put in an egg. Break your egg in a small container first. And 1.5 pounds of good quality ground beef. Now this is mixed up by hand. Mix it until it's completely combined. The reason why I'm showing you the mushroom loaf is because it is so very good, and if you like mushrooms, you're going to love this. If not, the tomatoes taste good too. Now, I form it into a loaf ball and then squeeze it into a shape like a cylinder. And I like having it where the sides are exposed. That will crispy that up. Okay, next, we're going to add a glaze. This is so easy. It's just ketchup. We're going to do a couple squirts, and then about half that of honey. This is how we mix the glaze. Just get the fingers in there. And I do like to bring it down on the sides. If I get any ketchup or honey on the edges of the pan, I always wipe that off with a paper towel so it doesn't burn in the oven. Now I put it in the oven at 350. Set the timer for 45 minutes. It's been 45 minutes. It's not done yet, but to keep that caramelized top from burning, we're going to put a lid on it or foil and let it cook for another 15 minutes. Okay, now it's been the full hour. We're going to test just to make sure that it is fully done. Fahrenheit 165. Okey-doke. Very good. If you don't have a thermometer, you can cut it, and if there's any pink, keep cooking it because you don't want the pink. Okay, we're going to let that rest now for 10 minutes. Okay, now it's time for cutting. When we let it rest, it helps the juices to congeal, giving it a nice juicy taste. And you can see that this will make more than one meal. Leftovers are not a bad thing. They come in real handy. You can keep it up to 3 days in the refrigerator. Any compliments are good. Today we're having green beans and baked potato. Time to eat. This is Lana Shea, an Iowa Mom. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more of my videos, go to youtube.com/@IowaMom. Then click on the video tab for a whole list.